morning, afternoon, and evening to all those who are watching, and I'm happy to have you on our show, on our channel. If this is your first time, please make sure to hit the subscribe button before you leave, because this is the best channel and the channel that provides all latest updates. So guys, today we have a little story on Olinda and Stan. So if you didn't know, lately Olinda and Stan have been going back and forth through their ex relationship or their former relationship. Anyways, so a few days ago, Stana was talking about Olinda, saying that Olinda gets money from the government of the UK and that she doesn't have money. So Olinda came back with a reply saying that even though that she gets money from the government of the UK, when they were still dating or when they were still in a relationship, Stana never got anything. She even said that Stana could not even get or buy a Tuckshop out of Olinda's money, which was a shame. And guys, tell us what you think in the comments, and we also have a video for that, so make sure to stay tuned, stay and keep watching, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.
The sad thing about it, ungadana na Olinda, kudana na Olinda, kudana na Stana. This is how dumb you are. Kudana na Olinda, ugotadza kubudo uneka na Tuckshop, inotengesa maputi nema sweet ne sugar ne hope. Sure. Chako ndechekuziva kuti I am slaying. Rimwe gore baba vaiti vari kuGrenorok, vari kuGrindel, vaiti kana vachita malive vaita vakabata foni yakaita kukwidzwa kudai so muchirakidzwa imba yese. Mazuva ano malive anoitwa vakadai kuti mungoona chizo musaone background yaitwa ichinzwa yakadai so yobva yanzwa mobva marakidzwa chidheni yese zvinezvi yakuitwa yakadai. Don't come for me next time. Sandi nyangadze. Next time, put some respect to my name. Put some respect to my name. Kutadza kubudosha kukana ni Tuckshop. Saka waihurirei right? Waita kunonzi kubuda dikita uri pamusoro pedhorofia riya. Waifirei mwana wevaridzi? Waifirei padhorofia yo? Wakatadza kuita musoro. Shosho waifirei chimbondudzo? Waifirei mwana wevaridzi uri pamusoro pedhorofia? Uchigomera uri pamusoro pedhorofia. Waifirei chawakabuda nacho chii? Vafana vechidiki vane tuntu wedu. Makabuda nei from that entanglement? I'm a little bit confused, you know. Like completely confused.